Hello, Sir Jorel. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, testingin lang natin yung unit na order nyo. The WE Glock 34 4 Series T5 Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Okay, so for the T5, black, black slide, black frame, and silver outer barrel. Okay, so 4 Series is rear and front fiber optics. Okay, so ayan. Tapos, ano siya, meron siya staple grip, no? Ayan. Tapos, extended slide catch, okay? Tapos yung trigger, tapos, mag-release yan. Tapos yung trigger niya flat, okay? So, ganyan na itsura. Ported slide. Okay? So, testingin natin using your two magazines, okay? So, ito yung dalawang magazine. So, yung Extra Magmas original 4 series magazine din, okay? So, yan. Alright. So, turning on the chronograph. Okay. So, ayan, 00. Right. So, to, always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at the safe direction. Okay? So, gamitin natin yung mas maraming bala. So, ito, ilan? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 yung nalagay ko dito. Okay? So, yan. As usual, pagka 4 series, kailangan medyo malakas kasi dahil sa meron siyang magwell, parang medyo tinutulak niya palabas yung mag base, no? So, yan. Parang ganyan. Hirap siya pumasok. Kaya kailangan medyo malakas. Okay? So, kakasan na natin. Right. So, firing. Okay. 382. Okay. So, yung bala na ginagamit natin dito is 0.20 grams. Yun ang usually na ginagamit for FPS testing. Takas. So, yan, 378.7. Three, 7, 6. 373.5. 372. Okay. So, naka 5 shots na tayo, no? So, more or less, ganun yung FPS niya. Isa pa. 367.7. So, okay naman siya. Okay naman yung blowback. Okay naman yung FPS. Okay. So, try ko lang yung accuracy. So, I'm shooting at a target that is 2.5 meters away. Tapos, yung size is 2 inches. Okay? So, yun. Yung unang puto ko, gitnang-gitna siya dun sa 2 inches. Wala nang bala. Okay, so ayun, tinamaan din. Halos katabi lang. So, nag-open na yung slide kasi wala nang bala yung magazine. Okay, so ito naman yung gamitin natin yung isa. Okay, inserting. Tapos, pull back the slide. Okay, so try natin. Katabi nung unang tama, nasa gitna. Katabi nung pangalawang tama, nasa right side. Gitnang gitna. Nasa ilalim ng gitna. Nasa right side ng gitna. Nasa left side ng gitna. And nasa ilalim ng gitna. So basically, groupings niya is 25 cents. Oh, pwedeng 25 cents lang yung groupings. Ganun na siya kaliit. So, yung mga hits niya nakakumpul dyan. So, ibig sabihin, very precise, very accurate yung pistol. Okay? So, yan. Nag-open na ulit yung slide. So, removing the magazine. Wala na ulit bala. Okay? So, hammer down. Okay? So, ayun sir. Okay na tong unit nyo. So, pwede ko na siya ipakasama ng mga order nyo na gas, saka bala, saka loader, saka lube. Okay? So, ayun, Sir Jorel, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po, sir. Bye-bye.